Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, March 19th, and this is my recap of the top viewed videos of the day. And gold versus the dollar came in number 3 today, so I'm going to do a quick recap. If you'd like to see my full top-down analysis on gold, make sure you check out the video I made this morning, linked at the end of this video over here. So gold did make a pretty nice little move up today, and it definitely is a higher low compared to this over here. And this move up definitely is very impulsive, which makes me think this is probably an A. I actually think this is an ABC correction down, probably a wave B. I think there's actually a very good likelihood this is going to go up for a wave C. Probably going to at least test these highs right here. And if it ends up looking something like this at tomorrow's interest rate news, which is about 22 hours away, then I think it would probably make for a pretty good shorting opportunity for tomorrow's news. The question is whether tomorrow's news is going to turn into a spike reversal like it often does at the interest rate, or whether it's just going to keep on trending down. Either way, prior to the news or right at the news, depending on what it looks like, I'm probably going to be looking for shorts in a downtrend. At the end, the three waves up, impulsive move with a breaker structure to the downside. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, linked up here in the card, up here in the corner, and also don't forget to check out my website, linked down here at the bottom. As always, thanks and happy trading.